Opening up this Saturday's American Bandstand, the Five Americans.
First thing in the morning, the last thing at night. Sound of love is calling, got me uptight. Loving words you say to me just make me wanna never stop. Stop, 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 stop. When you touch me, hold me, squeeze me, please me, makes my heart go bop, 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 bop. Would you believe the sound of love? Would you believe the sound of love? Sound of love, sound of love. You're the kind of woman that girls wanna be. Sound of love, sound of love. Just the kind of woman that sets me free. Sound of love, sound of love. Loving words you say to me just make me wanna never stop. Stop, 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 stop. When you touch me, hold me, squeeze me, please me, makes my heart go pop, 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 pop. Would you believe the sound of love? Sound of love, 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 sound of love. When you whisper in my ear, your eyes tell me what I hear. Then my love life seems to pause, and I know it's just because early in the morning, last thing at night. Sound of love, sound of love is calling. I see the light. Sound of love, would you believe the sound of love? The sound of love. Would you believe the sound of love?
Yes, sir, that's the sound of love. And it was done by the Five Americans. This record's got a sound, but it was made twice.